development strategy is to include what is most obvious to all of us. You've all heard that saying, you couldn't see the wood for the trees. People are talking about economic development for our area. They're talking about factories and jobs. What about our agriculture? Agriculture brings millions of dollars into this county through property tax, through revenue. It creates jobs. We're now looking at a new farm bill, and I think it's been enacted in the United States. It's the first time in many years. I spent a few hours on Sunday night looking on the internet. There are pages and pages and pages of information, rules, legislation, funding, grants, all sorts of things available. Do we expect all of our farmers in the county to go spend the time that I spent on Sunday night? No, we need an agricultural agent. I'm particularly hot-headed tonight about the airport in Jackson County. I think it's great we have the longest lighted runway in Jackson County, but during these gentlemen's watch, we lost an agricultural agent in Jackson County. We have a need for it. I will find the money for it, and I challenge each one of these people to tell me which is more important, agriculture or aviation. Our airport is a lovely thing in our community, but how many of you have flown in here tonight? None of you. It is for the few wealthy people that live in the county. Good for them. Let them pay for it. We need an agricultural agent. I support the appointment of an agricultural agent for Jackson County. Our farming community wants an agricultural agent. It makes sense. You look at the contribution farming makes to our county, property tax, income from jobs that they create, millions of dollars. Why didn't we get it? Because we had an airport. It's got to stop. I support it.